Morning guys, it's James from Motorhome Retrofits, and today we've been working on this 2017 Hymer. It's a Hymer Exsis, and it's quite a short wheelbase for ones that we've been working on recently, but this customer wanted and booked in for 5G ready Wi-Fi system. So what we've done is we've teamed it up with a black antenna on the roof instead of white. There isn't a great deal of white on the roof apart from the shutters, but we've gone with black, which is what the customer wanted, and it's a 5G ready antenna, which means that he's future-proofing his installation. Inside, in one of the cupboards, we've also fitted the Flex system, which has got wireless and wired LAN capability as well. Right, so we're back, oh no, not back, we're inside the Hymer, and the preferred choice for installation was one of these cupboards. Now, we always try and fit where there is existing power and installations done from factory, either TV aerial or other bits and pieces like that, or maybe even solar is coming through the roof. So we've drilled a hole through the roof, it's all been sealed, and inside here is where the FM antenna is, but we've tried to keep it a little bit away from the FM antenna, and we've done a nice neat installation of the Huawei Flex system. So on the left hand side you can just see the black box. Let me just turn the power on. So we've got a regulated 12 volt supply here, because you can't just cut the plug off and wire it into 12 volt supply. You must do this correctly so that it gets a nice clean and correct true voltage. So the Flex system has been screwed into the back wall there, but we've still allowed for you to remove the Flex and unplug it so that it's from the wireless capability, or if you're plugging in LAN cables. So if you were working and doing some work from your motorhome and you needed that wired LAN connection, you can then plug it in and away you go. Okay, so with the system turned on, this currently doesn't have a micro SIM card put in. What we can do though is we can just show you that it's there ready to receive. So amongst all of our long list of other bits and pieces that we've got, you've got the Huawei there. We've just connected to it, so we can just go in. Already connected, that's fine. As soon as you go into the router, it will then connect to it and take you to a login page. Now with the login page, let's just say that's fine. So with the login page here, you can now go into the back door of the unit and set it all up and its parameters. Once you've done that, you'll be able to connect up to 10 different wireless devices, and with the 5G ready aerial, though if you're not in a 5G area, you're still going to use 4G. You're going to be able to connect your multiple devices and watch TV, stream TV, and connect your iPad, phones or other devices for email and social media side of things. So as mentioned outside, this is a 5G ready system. The aerial on the roof is 5G capable, but this is a 4G router. 5G routers now are still extremely expensive and not yet readily available, especially for the automotive industry. So this is a 4G router, and again, all of our details are available on our website. But what we've done is we've designed and fitted this bracket. We've put a little bit of cloth tape down here because it was a little bit rattly in the bracket. Once you remove and slide this out like so, you can turn it around, and on the back of the unit itself you've then got 4 Ethernet ports. And again, it's a bit difficult to try and make a job like this look as neat, as tidy as possible, but for it to be functional at the same time. So we can pop that router back in, nice and neat, well away from the TV aerial and anything else that's going to cause interference, and the customers now can just drive away, pull up on site and connect to their Wi-Fi router. Right, so we have done a few other things to this particular motorhome, but this video was purely for the Wi-Fi ready aspect. That we have done a beautiful, nice, neat install, and you can choose from white or black antenna. You don't have to have 5G ready. The most common one at the moment is 4G, but if you want to be future-proofing yourself, you can. This is Motorhome Retrofits. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. If you've got a motorhome and you want Wi-Fi, please get in touch with us. It is all fitted down here at our headquarters in Poole in Dorset, but please get in touch and we can organise that. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to